In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Notion quick capture system so you can instantly save ideas, tasks, and thoughts without breaking your workflow. Quick capture is one of the most powerful ways to use Notion because it helps you get things out of your head and into a trusted system in seconds. Whether you're managing work, studies, or personal projects, this setup will save you time and keep you organized. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand sidebar, look at the very top where your Workspace name is displayed. Go ahead and click on the small arrow next to your Workspace name. This opens up additional options related to your workspace. From this menu, click on Templates. This will take you directly to Notion's template gallery, where you can find pre-built systems for productivity, task management, notes, and much more. Templates are a great way to quickly build powerful systems without starting from scratch. Once you're inside the template gallery, click on the search bar at the top and start typing keywords related to what you want. For a quick capture system, type something related to task or time management. As you type, Notion will automatically filter and show relevant templates. Next, look through the results and select the Time Management category. This category includes templates designed to help you quickly log tasks, ideas, and to-dos, which is perfect for building a quick capture workflow. From here, find a task management or kanban style template that fits your needs. Once you've found one you like, click on it to open the template details. Then click on the Add button to add this template to your workspace. Now, you'll see an option that says Add to Private. Click on this to add the template to your private workspace. This is ideal for a personal quick capture system, where you can freely dump ideas without distractions. After the template is added, go to your sidebar and click on the new task management page that was just created. This opens up your new workspace where all your captured tasks and ideas will live. At this point, you can customize everything. Rename the page to something like Quick Capture, Inbox, or Brain Dump. You can edit the columns, adjust properties, and tailor it exactly to how you think and work. Anytime you have a new idea or task, you can come here and instantly add it without worrying about organizing it right away. And that's it. You've successfully created a Notion quick capture system that helps you stay organized and stress-free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.